Whether you're just starting out in woodworking or looking to upgrade your workshop without breaking the bank, I've got you covered. Today, we're looking at 14 highly rated woodworking tools and accessories, all under $60, available right now on Amazon. Links to every tool are in the description, so let's jump straight in. Number 1. The Susan Ryoba double-edged saw is a traditional Japanese pull saw designed for both rip and cross cuts. Unlike Western push saws, it cuts on the pull stroke, allowing for greater control, reduced effort, and cleaner edges. Its 7-inch blade is crafted from high-quality Japanese steel, known for maintaining sharpness and delivering precise, smooth cuts in a variety of woods. This saw is lightweight, making it comfortable for extended use, and its thin blade, just 0.5 millimeters thick, produces a narrow kerf, minimizing material waste. The double-edged design offers versatility, one side for cutting along the grain, the other for cutting across it. Handcrafted in Japan by skilled artisans, it reflects over a century of woodworking tradition. Suitable for beginners and experienced woodworkers alike, it's ideal for furniture making, joinery, and detailed craft projects, offering a refined cutting experience that enhances accuracy and expands creative possibilities in the workshop. Number 2. The Kakori Japanese Wood Chisel Set is a collection of 6 precision tools designed for fine woodworking. Each chisel features a different blade width, from 6 to 38 millimeters, making it versatile for tasks such as joinery, mortising, furniture building, and detailed carving. The blades are forged from Aogami Blue Steel No. 2, a premium Japanese steel known for exceptional sharpness, edge retention, and durability. The layered Damascus pattern not only adds beauty, but also combines toughness with ease of sharpening. Handles are crafted from high-quality red oak, offering strength and a comfortable grip. The chamfered blade edges reduce resistance, allowing smoother cuts and cleaner surfaces. These chisels can be used with hand pressure or struck with a hammer for more demanding work. Housed in a traditional Polonia wood box, this set reflects Japanese craftsmanship and is equally suited for professional carpenters, dedicated hobbyists, and anyone seeking precision in their woodworking projects. Number 3. The Kakori Japanese Hand Plane, or kanna, is a traditional woodworking tool designed for smoothing surfaces and chamfering edges. Unlike Western planes that push forward, this Japanese style is pulled toward the user, offering greater control, consistent cuts, and reduced effort. Its compact 42mm blade width makes it ideal for detailed work, fine adjustments, and intricate projects. The blade is crafted from high-carbon Japanese steel, sharpened by skilled craftsmen to deliver a clean, smooth finish straight out of the box. A built-in chip breaker helps prevent splitting, making planing safer and more efficient. The body is made from durable Japanese oak, chosen for its stability and smooth glide. Using eco-oak from closer to the tree's core ensures sustainability without sacrificing performance. Suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers, this hand plane is perfect for furniture making, joinery, and precision finishing, bringing traditional craftsmanship into modern workshops. Number 4. This deluxe wood carving kit is designed to give both beginners and experienced carvers everything they need in one set. It includes 4 carving knives for chisels, 6 basswood blocks, a spoon carving block, polishing compound, a leather strop, sandpaper, and safety gear, all neatly stored in a portable leather case. The knives feature sharp, durable blades secured with metal caps for added strength and ergonomic walnut handles that provide a comfortable grip during long carving sessions. The included leather strop and polishing compound help maintain blade sharpness, while the basswood blocks offer a smooth, easy-to-carve surface for practice or finished projects. Safety is built in, with cut-resistant gloves, a protective bandage, and blade covers to reduce the risk of injury. Whether shaping spoons, figurines, or decorative pieces, this kit supports a safe, organized, and enjoyable carving experience from start to finish. Number 5. This 16-piece hook and loop sanding block kit is designed for precision sanding in a wide range of projects. This set includes assorted block shapes made from soft, durable foam, each measuring about 3.8 inches, along with 40 sandpaper sheets in 8 different grits, from coarse 60 grit to fine 600 grit. The hook and loop system allows quick, secure attachment and easy removal of sandpaper, extending its life and making grit changes fast. With a variety of block shapes, you can sand flat surfaces, curved edges, grooves, chamfers, and tight corners with ease. Ideal for woodworking, furniture refinishing, metalworking, auto body detailing, and even drywall touch UPS, these blocks are comfortable to hold and effective in small or hard-to-reach spaces. Whether you're smoothing a tabletop, refining a carved detail, or polishing a curved surface, this kit offers the versatility and control needed for clean, consistent results across different materials. Number 6. The Duststopper Pro is a low-profile dust separator made for standard 5-gallon buckets and most shop vacuums. It captures over 99% of common workshop dust before it reaches the vacuum. This helps your vacuum keep strong suction and reduces how often you replace filters. It works with 2.5-inch hoses and ports. Adapters can connect it to other sizes. 2 high-flow 90-degree sweep elbows are included. These elbows keep airflow strong and reduce clogs. The Duststopper Pro can separate more than just sawdust. It also works with liquids, wood chips, dirt, sand, pet hair, and even small hardware. Setup is quick. Place it on a bucket, attach the gasket, elbows, and hose, and start collecting dust. Emptying is simple. Unlatch it, lift it off the bucket, dump the debris, and snap it back on. It's a clean, efficient way to manage dust in your workshop. Number 7. The Oxter Sharpening Stone and Honing Guide set is designed to keep chisels, planes, and other woodworking tools performing at their best. It includes sharpening stones in multiple grits, a honing guide, and chisels, giving you everything needed for coarse shaping through to fine polishing. The honing guide holds your blade at a consistent angle, making sharpening easier for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. A rubber base keeps the stone steady, so you can work with confidence and safety. The stones allow you to customize the sharpness of your tools, helping you achieve clean, precise cuts in your projects. Built for durability, the honing guide features a hardened steel roller wheel and a cast aluminum body, ready to handle regular use in the workshop. This complete set makes it simple to maintain razor-sharp edges, ensuring your woodworking tools stay accurate, efficient, and ready for any task. Number 8. The Preciva Right Angle Ruler is a precision tool for measuring, marking, and layout work. It features a 12-inch stainless steel blade with 1/16-inch notch spacing, plus extra fine 1/32-inch spacing in the center for detailed measurements. Marking holes make it easy to lay out 10 common angles, from 10 degrees to 90 degrees. A built-in scribing needle allows you to mark lines accurately without switching tools. The retractable metal edge support helps keep the ruler steady on the work surface, improving accuracy. An insertion hole makes it simple to hang and store when not in use. The laser-calibrated scale is clear, scratch-resistant, and built for long-lasting accuracy. This ruler is suitable for woodworking, construction, mathematical measurement, and craft projects. Its combination of durability, stability, and multi-angle marking makes it a versatile addition to any workshop or toolbox. Number 9. The Nitra Small Square Ruler is a compact tool for accurate measuring and marking. It has 1/16-inch diameter holes, spaced at 1/16-inch intervals, for drawing lines up to 3 inches long. The base includes 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch offsets for marking mortise and tenon shoulders quickly. The angled edge is marked from 0 to 90 degrees in 5-degree steps. It also has preset holes for 22.5, 30, 45, 60, and 67.5 degrees. The fixed angle pin fits securely in these holes, but can be moved easily by hand. Made from aluminum alloy with an anodized orange finish, it is strong, corrosion-resistant, and easy to see. Laser-etched markings are clear and long-lasting. Its small size, 3.5 by 3.75 inches, fits in a pocket for quick access. The set includes the ruler, the fixed angle pin, a mechanical pencil, and replacement leads for convenience. Number 10. The Digital Angle Finder Protractor combines the functions of a ruler and a protractor in one tool. It has both millimeter and inch scales, making it easy to measure internal and external angles. This makes it useful for woodworking, construction, drafting, and many other tasks. It comes ready to use with a CR2032 battery installed, plus a spare battery included. The large LCD display shows readings clearly, with a measuring range from 0 to 999.9 degrees. Accuracy is plus or minus 0.3 degrees, with a resolution of 0.1 degree. Functions include lock, zero, hold, and reverse display. You can lock the blade at any angle, hold a reading, reset to 0, or flip the display for reverse measurements. This tool is ideal for checking saw blade angles, setting miter cuts, trimming, or measuring wall angles with speed and precision. Number 11. The Nyko 5-inch automatic center punch is a versatile tool for marking precise drilling points. It works on wood, plastic, metal, glass, and even leather. The spring-loaded design has an adjustable stroke and cap, so you can set the impact strength for each project. A hardened S2 steel tip delivers accurate marks and stands up to tough materials. The chrome-plated shank resists corrosion and damage, ensuring long-lasting performance. Using it is simple. Place the tip where you want the hole, press down firmly, and the spring mechanism delivers a controlled strike. The non-slip surface and centered tip give you better control and accuracy. This tool can also serve as a glass breaker in emergencies, or as an awl for leather work. Compact, durable, and easy to use, it's a reliable choice for creating clean, accurate starting points for drilling or fastening. Number 12. The heavy-duty 2-inch small C-clamp is built for strength, precision, and versatility. Its body is made from high-quality aluminum alloy with a thick T-shaped cross-section. This design keeps the clamp rigid and delivers strong, even pressure. It has a clamping range from 10 to 55 millimeters, or 0.39 to 2.16 inches, with a throat depth of 28 millimeters, or 1.1 inches. This makes it ideal for most woodworking, DIY, and household clamping tasks. A protective sponge pad covers the clamping surface to prevent marks and evenly distribute pressure. The adjustable screw knob, also called a plumb knob, makes it easy to secure the clamp to workpieces, desktop brackets, or wood strips. This C-clamp is suitable for assembly, fastening, gluing, and welding. It's a reliable choice for woodworking, metalworking, and general workshop use, offering secure holding power in a compact, easy-to-use design. Number 13. The Milescraft Drill Mate is a portable drilling guide designed for precision and versatility. It allows you to drill straight or angled holes, work on the edge of a board, or drill into round stock with accuracy. It attaches to any 3/8 inch or 1/2 inch cordless drill and includes a 3/8 inch capacity chuck with key. The angle readout lets you set drilling angles to 45, 60, 75, or 90 degrees. Centering channels built into the base make it easy to drill into round stock up to 3 inches in diameter. This feature is ideal for pipes, dowels, and other cylindrical materials. Compact and sturdy, The DrillMate works like a portable drill press, giving you control and consistency without the bulk of a stationary machine. It's a practical solution for woodworkers, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who needs accurate drilling in a variety of materials and positions. Number 14. The Craig Portable Drilling Guide is designed to help you create accurate, well-positioned holes every time. It features 6 built-in alignment marks, making it easy to position your drill exactly where it's needed. The guide includes 6 hardened steel drill guides in sizes 1/8, 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. These guides keep your drill bit steady, helping you make clean, precise holes in wood. A grip max surface on the base prevents slipping during use, giving you more control and accuracy. The guide also centers itself automatically on 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch material edges, making setup quick and simple. Compact and easy to handle, this tool is ideal for carpentry, furniture building, and general woodworking projects. It's a practical way to improve drilling accuracy without the need for a full drill press, making it a valuable addition to any workshop.